Okay, next networking component is modem. A modem enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. It converts the digital signals of a computer into analog signals to enable their transmission via telephone lines. You can see the network. At the destination, the receiving modem further converts the analog signals into digital signals so that the data can be understood at the receiving end. It comes as a separate part that can be installed at the peripheral component interconnect PCI slot found on the motherboard. Okay, it can be internal modem and external modem also. Next is hub and switches. Okay, this is for connecting one or more computers with one device. We can share information with this device. Network cards are used to send and receive data being transmitted over Ethernet cable. When a network has more than two computers, we cannot directly connect all the computers together. You need an interface through which the computers can be connected and data can be sent and received. This function is performed by a hub. You can see this device, this is a hub, and there is so many ports, so you can attach 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 computers with them. Hubs or switch. Hubs were the preferred medium in earlier times, but now switches are used because of their better efficiency. A hub switch performs the following functions. It acts as a central point of the connection for all the computers in a network. Every computer plugs into the hub and switch. It helps to arrange the ports in such a way that if a PC transmits data, the data is sent over the other computer through its network card. Okay, you can see this is hub and these are nodes. These are attached with hub, and we can attach two or more hub together also with this switch. Basically, the hub switch is a box with a set of RJ45 ports. Okay, understood what is hub? It's a unintelligent network. Okay, device that sends one signal to all the stations connected to it. All the computer devices competing for attention because it takes the data that comes into a port and send it out to all the other ports in the hub. Hubs are used for star topology network, but they are often used with other configuration to make it easy to add and remove computers without bringing down the network. Okay, there are different types of topology we will discuss about later. Each computer on a network is connected to the hub switch via Ethernet cable. Next, there is know the fact. WAP full form is wireless access point. Is a device that connects wireless communication devices. This device is for wireless network, without wire network. To establish wireless network, you require the following components. First is wireless network card. Okay, you can see this is a card instead of normal network card. Wireless network card is different that are used in the wired networks. Most laptop computers come with inbuilt wireless network cards. Then radio signals are used for transferring data. Therefore, Ethernet cable is not required. Okay. Access point or routers are used instead of hub switches. These have a wireless antenna which increase the communication. You can see these two antenna. Okay, this is for increasing communication ranges of the radio signals. Access point can also be used to join a wired network, thus making the network a combination of wired as well as wireless network. Okay, access point can also be used to join a wired network. Okay, both the connection we can attach wired connection and wireless connection. There is another fact. Wireless means, what is wireless? Wireless is a means of communication that uses low powered radio waves to transmit data between devices. Wireless networking allows networks to be deployed without cabling. Okay, this is without cabling space such as outer areas where cables cannot be laid can have wireless network because cables can't be set up in all the areas. Okay students, now we have done page number 7, 8 and 9. Next topic we will discuss in our next class. Now I am going to give you some homework. First open page number 12. Question 1 you have to write fill in the blanks. Okay, first to 5 fill-ups. I will send you one worksheet for this. Okay, let us discuss. Fill in the blanks. Dash is a computer network created for a individual person. Answer is PAN, Personal Area Network. Next, number 2, a computer network enables 2 or more computers to share dash and resources. Answer is data. In a network, modification or upgradation of the software or data is done at a dash point, single point only. Okay. Each computer in a network is called a node. Next, dash are used to send and receive data being transmitted over the Ethernet cables. Answer is network card. Okay, these 1 to 5 fill-ups is from your book, page number 12, and 6 to 12 are the extra fill-ups. 6 number, when two users have simultaneous conversation via the internet, it is called conferencing. You have to underline conferencing. Okay. Dash is a term which refers to a computer network restricted to an organization. Answer is intranet. You have to underline intranet. Dash is a wireless technology that is used to interconnect mobile phone, computers, printers using short range or wireless connection. Answer is Bluetooth. Number 9. Protocols are certain set of rules that determine how data should be transferred over network. Answer is protocol. Protocols are set of rules. Next, dash allow the network to be deployed without cabling. Answer is wireless network. Next, 11 number, Wi-Fi stands for, what is the full form of Wi-Fi? Wireless fidelity. You have to underline wireless fidelity. Next, number 12, dash means protecting data resources from any unauthorized access. Answer is network security. Underline network security. Okay, question first, fill in the blanks. 1 to 12 you have to do in your computer copy. Okay, next question number 2 you have to write straight true or false from your book, page number 12. Number 1, the computers in a network cannot work independently. Answer is false. Second, networking provides the facility to instantly deliver soft copies from one computer to other throughout the world. Yes, this is true. Third, network card is used to physically attach to a computer to a network. Yes, true. 4, WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Yes, it is also true. Next, 5, in WAN computer terminals are not physically connected with wires. Yes, true. Number 6, in star topology, all the nodes in the network are connected in a circular manner. No, it's false. Okay, question number 2, true or false, you have to do in your copy. Next, question number 3, see multiple choice question from page number 13. Which is the most commonly used network card? It is Ethernet network card. You have to take here and write all the options and take the right answer. Okay. Next, number 2, a dash enables you to connect your computer to the available internet connection over the existing telephone lines. Answer is modem. Okay, you have to take here modem. Dash security means protecting data and resources from any unauthorized access. Answer is network. Next, number 4, dash type of network connect 2 or more computers located at distant places. Answer is WAN, wide area network, WAN. Next, number 5, the data transmission speed of LAN is dashed as compared to WAN, slower. Okay, you have to take here slower. Now 3 questions we have discussed. Fill in the blanks, true or false, and multiple choice. This is your homework. Make one computer copy and be regular with your work. And next topic we will discuss in our next class. Okay, good day.